class 10. Exercise number 5.4, question number 10. Find the equation of the straight line through the intersection of the line 5x minus 6y is equal to 2, 3x plus 2y is equal to 10 and perpendicular to the line 4x minus 7y plus 13. See, the first line I take it as L1, second line I take it as L2. This is the intersection line, that is L1 and L2. First one is L1, second line is L2. These are the two intersected line. See, another line is given as it is L3, like take it as L3. This line is here L3. The intersection of the two line having the perpendicular to the line 3. We want to find this equation of this line. So by using this two line, we can able to find the intersection point, and then by applying the perpendicular condition, we can able to find this here. Passing through point is here. We have find out the intersection point, right? And then by applying the perpendicular condition formula, we can able to find this line of equation. We are going to find this line of equation. Here I am going to take, this is the first equation, this is the second equation. By using the first and second equation, I am going to cancel the coefficient of y. Right? I am going to cancel the y here, y variable. See, in y, first equation we have y as minus 6. In second equation we have 2. So the second equation is multiple by 3 means we get here 6. So the first equation as it is 5x minus 6y is equal to 2. The equation number 2 is multiple by 3. So 3 3s are 9x plus 6y is equal to 3 10s are 30. Now plus y, 6y and minus 6y will be cancelled. 9 plus 5 is 14. X is equal to 32. Then we want to find the x value. Here x is equal to 32 divided by 14. Reduced by 2, we get 2 16s are 2 7s are. Furtherly, it is not possible to cancel, right? So the x value is 16 divided by 7. Now the same value of x I am going to apply it in equation number 2. Substitute x is equal to 16 divided by 7 in either in equation number 2 or 1. I choose here equation number 2. So equation number 2 is 3x plus 2y is equal to 10. So 3 times of x value is 16 divided by 7 plus 2y is equal to 10. 3 into 16 is 48 divided by 7 plus 2y is equal to 10. I take this 48 divided by 7 to another side. So 2y is equal to, here we have already 10. If I take this 48 divided by 7, it is in the plus symbol. I take to another side with minus 48 divided by 7. Right? Here you have different terms. This is one of the term, right? So if I take LCM for this, 2y is equal to 7 10s are 70 minus 48 whole divided by 7. Then 2y is equal to 70 minus 48, that is 22 divided by 7. Now we want to find the value of y. Y is equal to 22 divided by 7. I take this 2 to another side, means see it is in the multiplication, so it should be in the denominator. 2 1s are 2 11s are. Then y is equal to 11 divided by 7. Therefore the point of intersection is first we have find out the x point as 16 divided by 7. Now we have find out the y point as 11 divided by 7. Therefore the point of intersection is 16 divided by 7 and 11 divided by 7. Now we use the third equation, that is L3 line. The perpendicular, the equation of line perpendicular to the given equation is 4x minus 7y plus 13 equal to 0 is, if it is perpendicular means we have the formula, the interchange the coefficient of x and y, that is 7x 4y plus the constant term is k. If here minus means you put here plus. That is the perpendicular formula is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Interchanging the coefficient of x and y, that is bx ay plus k is equal to 0. Here we have plus, so put minus. So this is the actual formula, right? So we rewrite in that form. Now here passing through, let me take this is the equation number 3. The passing through point is that is the intersection point, right? That is 16 divided by 7 and 11 divided by 7. Just now we have find out that is the value. Now let me take it as this is x and y. Now apply this value in equation number 3. We get 7 into 16 divided by 7 plus 4 into 11 divided by 7 plus k is equal to 0. We want to find the k value, right? Don't cancel here. Here we need the denominator. We are going to take the LCM. So denominator as equal 7 and 7. So 7 6 are 42. 2 remainder 4. 7 1s are 7 plus 4 is 11. Divided by 7 plus 4 11s are 44 divided by 7 plus k is equal to 0. Now when the base are equal, directly we can add the numerator, right? 112 plus 44 is equal to 651. 156 plus k is equal to 0. We need the k value only, right? Then k is equal to, I take this term to another side, we get minus 156 divided by 7. Now substitute this value in equation number 3. From equation number 3, 7x plus 4y, right? This is the equation number 3. 7x plus 4y. In the place of k is minus 156 divided by 7 is equal to 0 is the equation of the straight line, or otherwise here we have the denominator, so multiple by 7, 7 7s are 49x, 7 4s are 28y minus 156 equal to 7 7 is cancelled. Either we can take this or this is the equation of the intersected line perpendicular, right? Thank you, students.